Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To continue with the first theme of class 12, that is bricks, beats and bones. Today I am going to discuss about the seals, about the script and about the weights of the Harappan civilization. Now as you all know that a wide range of seals have been found in different sites of the Harappan civilization. So let's start our topic with the seals and the ceilings. What are seals? Seals क्या होती हैं? गीली मिट्टी को लेकर उसमें कुछ मोटिव्स बना दिए जाते हैं, कुछ इम्प्रेशंस बना दिए जाते हैं और उन्हें धूप में या फिर आग में तपा कर उन्हें पक्का कर दिया जाता है. दैट इज सील, राइट. इसको हम टेराकोटा टैबलेट्स भी बोल सकते हैं, सील भी बोल सकते हैं. नाउ हाउ द हरप्पन पीपल हैव यूज्ड दीज सील्स. Probably there were two purposes for using seals, and they have used it for widely used for trading. The two purposes was, first of all, if suppose I am a trader and I am sending a bag of objects, and I just tied a knot on the bag and गीली मिट्टी का ऐसे ही सील लेकर मैंने उस पे नोट पे लगा दिया विद माई इम्प्रेशन. देन आई सेंड दिस बैक टू अनदर प्लेस. जब जिसको वो डिलीवर्ड होगा बैग, अगर वो सील टूटी होगी, दैट मीन्स द थिंग्स आर नॉट प्रॉपर, मीन्स किसी ने उसके साथ छेड़छाड़ की है, राइट. खोलकर देखा गया है. लेकिन इफ़ द सीलिंग जो उस पर हमने बनाई है मिट्टी से, वो जो पक्की कर दी है, अगर उसको वो अनब्रेक होगी तो इट शोज दैट कि चीज़ों के साथ छेड़छाड़ नहीं किया गया है, राइट. सो दे प्रोबेबली हैव यूज्ड इट एज अ symbol of confirmation that the things are in proper, the things have reached in a proper manner, right. Another purpose was whatever the sealing was imposed on the tied knot, it shows the identity of the sender. किसने उस सील को भेजा, उसका अपना एक निशान इम्प्रेशन होता था जिससे कि भेजने वाले का पता चल जाता था. आपने कभी सीरियल्स देखे, पुराने सीरियल, उसमें भी द किंग्स यूज्ड सच सील्स. कोई भी शाही फरमान ऑर्डर देना होता तो एक उसमें हम सील लगा दिया जाता था. या फिर बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज जब हम आज की डेट में हम स्टैम्पिंग की बात करते हैं, तो स्टैम्पिंग को भी हम किस पर्पज से यूज़ करते हैं कि इट शोज़ द अथॉरिटी, इट शोज़ द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द person who is using that stamp, right. So similarly the sealing was done with the object, with the things, and might be used for the trading purpose, right. So sealing was solving this purpose. Now talking about seals, तो seals भी हमें wide range में मिले हैं, right. जिसमें animal motifs, different signs they have used. Probably they have used to inscribe the messages, right. So such things shows that how careful they were of using these things in their trade, right. Then second thing which we'll discuss today is enigmatic script. They have a very different script, and this is one of the reason that till so far we have not able to decipher, we are not able to read that script. Though the script is found on various objects like the seals, copper tools, bone rods, jewelry, rims of jar, terracotta tablet, ancient signboard also found, which is again something is written on that, but we fail to understand their language. It suggests one thing that people in Harappan civilization were literate. There was widespread literacy among the population at that time. So that is the reason they were using inscriptions, or they were using the script on various things, right. Even the jewelry they used to write. Then generally when we talk about their script, one prominent thing is, suppose they have written something, or in one line they use a motive, particular motive, most probably of animals. Mostly animal motive is found on one particular line, जिसमें जो कि शो करता है कि those who are not able to read, तो बाय सीइंग द साइन दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या लिखने वाला कौन रहा होगा, तो उसकी आइडेंटिटी रिवील करने के लिए दे हैव यूज। फिर क्यों हम इस को पढ़ नहीं पाए, रीज़न इज कि सो मेनी नंबर साइंस आर यूज, नंबर ऑफ साइंस यूज अराउंड 375 to 400 साइंस दे हैव यूज्ड। हम जब इंग्लिश की बात करते हैं तो देर आर 26 letters, and we know about 26 letter, but they used these many number of signs. So we fail to understand what they have written in the script, right? Which type of script they are using. The longest inscription जो अभी तक मिली है, it is of 26 signs, right? एंड एक स्पेशलिटी है उनके लिखने में, स्क्रिप्ट में, दे यूज टू स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम right hand side and then finish their line here in on left. Then instead of starting from right side, they continued from here, writing from left to right. So this is how they used to write, from right side to left. Then the line, suppose this is the clay tablet, they start from here, if the they ends here, then they'll start continuing from here. This way they used to write. So these are the problems that are associated with their script, and we are not able to understand the language, right? So but few things is very clear, that people were literate and they have used their scripts on various things, right? नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेट्स, वेट्स जो हम सामान को तोलने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बाट। वेट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल स्टोन कॉल्ड चर्ट, एंड मोस्टली क्यूबिकल होता था, चकोर, राइट? और उनके जो लोअर डिनोमिनेशन होते थे वेट्स के, वो बाइनरी डिजिट्स यूज करते थे, लाइक 1 2 4 8 16 32 64, इस टाइप से up to 12,800, and the upper denomination followed the decimal system. They followed the decimal system in their weights. So now you can understand कि उनका mathematical दिमाग भी कितना तेज था। Smaller weights probably they have used, छोटे से छोटे weights मिले हैं जो कि शो करते हैं probably they have used it for weighing the jewelry or for beads. बीड्स जो मोती वो बनाते थे, उनको तोलने के लिए they have probably used, and metal scale pans have been found, इस तरह के जो वेट करने के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं, right? So this is all about the seals and sealing, their script and the weights they have used. So using of weights suggests one thing again, the indication is towards the trading purpose. They might have used it for trading, for selling and buying products, etc. So this is all about the sealing, scripts and the weights. Please like, share and review, and wait for the next video. Thank you.